Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to capture night sky time lapse in your smartphones. So let's get started. So first download and install AutoClick app from Play Store. Turn on the accessibility setting for this app. Open your camera. In Pro mode, set focus to high, shutter speed to 16 or 32 seconds, and ISO to 3200. Now tap the AutoClick app setting, set it to 20 seconds. Tap the play button to turn on. You should take at least 300 images. After capturing, open Light Trails app. Download it from Play Store. Turn on comet mode for better result, but after export 5 images, you need to buy this. Select all the images that you capture. If you need better result, edit your image on PixArt app. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.